Central Asian affair. Agashan taking on Eldar.
That stare from the man in blue,
Step back.
staring into
Boxer,
his
step back.
soul. And the referee taking control of the man in blue who's anticipated to
Box.
fight.
Round one.
It was a very technical, very draining fight previously. What sort of an approach
Oh,
these two
powerful
Central
jab.
Asians will adopt? Eldar pressing forward.
The press. Keep the press.
hard jab from the man in blue.
Height and reach advantage. He's
Boxers,
with
no head
Agashan.
contact.
He can wind it up. He's a speedy customer. We all know that. He sees the opportunity. He will definitely deliver bunch of powerful attacks.
This is also going to be a very
Just like that. We saw just a glimpse of it.
Stop. Boxer, you're lazy. You. Box.
both fighters right in the center of the stage, not moving back.
Eldar, surprisingly, is the one who's keen on staying close.
Oh. Both fighters are really strong. You see that guard? How they're... That guard, Dhamika.
Almost reading each other's game perfectly.
So important. Having that guard, I believe, in boxing, it saves you a lot of trouble and saves a lot of energy if you are protected.
Yes.
Oh,
Excellent work rate there for Eldar.
Eldar.
During that exchange, he landed just about 3 good, clean punches.
And once-
Agashan immediately coming back. Good uppercut. Very proficient, well thought of boxers. I mean,
Eldar.
in Sri Lanka we have very few. One of them will be in action next.
Whoa. That's a great combination from Kazakhstan.
From Agashan, you not get just 1 or 2. You get just about bunch altogether.
Yes. And both fighters are really strong boxers. Heavy
That's a
punches.
good left landed there.
Oh. Agashan from Kazakhstan just throwing punches in bunches in there. Look at that.
That's his natural way of doing
Ah.
it.
The leverage on those
So
punches.
cool. It's
And
very
the fact
exciting
that-
to watch.
And the fact that Eldar is taking the punches the way he is, that man is so strong.
Unbelievable. Take another one. There is some power.
But I can see that Agashan has got Eldar off his game plan now.
Wow.
Stop.
Both
That
fighters-
powerful right at the end, had it landed, would have been a different story, I can tell you. Very competitive first round, and it's a split decision in favor of Agashan.
Agashan, but looking a little bit tired walking into his corner because he threw so many punches.
He did just about the same during the semi-final,
Really? This man,
but his opponent somehow manages to stay till the end. You
Really?
can remember that fight.
Yeah, they're so enduring. And he's got his match right now because Eldar from Tajikistan is a strong opponent. Look at that guard, unbreakable.
He, coming into this game, he's prepared to take the beating. Straight away, it was
Seconds out.
it was a
Coach,
tough
please.
ask,
Come on.
but he's standing up really well.
So it's
First
close.
round done.
Split
Round
second on the
2.
way.
Stop.
Oh, that's a big
Blue.
punch from
No
red.
slapping. Box.
And the referee wants blue for open glove. No slapping.
Eldar
Loading up.
little more reliant on his power during the second round.
Just loading up. But
There you go, not providing that leverage we've spoken about to Agashan. He found it firsthand how tough when there you go. Almost a formality.
Head up, Blue.
automatical.
Blue, keep it up.
You always get not just one,
Look at the
2,
eyes.
3, maybe 4.
Yeah. Agashan like inviting Eldar to
Stop.
come in. He's like, let's go. Let's do
Say
this.
stop. Red, head up. Step back, step back, step back. Box.
This is high quality boxing, whichever way
No stopping, Blue. Red, no stopping.
you describe it.
No holding, Red.
Eldar representing Kyrgyzstan in red. Agashan. Oh, powerful right landed right there. This young man, Eldar, definitely got an iron chin. There was some power behind that heavy right from Agashan.
Breathe. Stop. Boxer, Blue. Breathe. Red. Breathe. Step back, step back. Box.
It was a very close first round. It's going to be a very close second, as both the boxers trying to up their work rate. As usual, flurry of punches.
No holding, Blue.
I'm
Blue,
starting to
holding.
notice there is
Stop.
a little bit of tiredness
From
in Agashan's
Blue.
game.
Yes.
No holding.
They are. You have to be tired.
Box.
The load, the work rate. Heavy punches.
So tough to maintain that level of
No holding,
aggression, power
Red. Breathe.
constantly.
Breathe, boxer. Breathe.
Agashan looking a little tired from Kazakhstan, but it's mind over matter, so his mind is still there in the game. He does not care about how tired he is. He looks determined. His eyes
Both the
aren't phased.
boxers after that second round will take that
Blue.
1 minute break.
Stop
Most
racing.
welcome,
You.
I can tell you.
Step back, step back, step back. Step back, boxer. Step back. Box. Stop. Stop.
Keep pressing forward. Eldar
Stop,
representing Kyrgyzstan.
Boxer. Stop. Boxer,
Oops.
stop. Listen, stop. Okay? You. No passion.
Insane work rate. Flurry of punches
And
to
that's the
finish up
end.
the second round. This time it went in the way of blue corner. Agashan back in the hunt.
I just saw the coach from the blue corner in Kazakhstan slap Agashan. He's like, get into your sensors. He just slapped him out. Like, get into your sensors. Who's leading?
He's
and
leading.
right now,
He's in front. Still very close.
but Red is leading by 2 points. Red is on the lead.
Better work rate. There you were. Both the fighters eaten fair share of punches during that exchange.
Look at those punches.
Always starting to wonder about the combos.
Seconds out.
How exactly they are enduring those sort of
Come on.
punches. I mean,
Yeah.
so much power.
They're big guys as well, and
Time.
they got a lot
Time.
of muscle in their body, so
Boxer,
the
come.
more muscle you have, the
Boxer,
quicker it is
come.
to
Please.
get tired. But
Keep it up.
these boys are showing
Listen
some
to
great
me.
endurance.
Come,
And the referee
boxer,
wants them
please.
not to hold
Keep
and
the
keep the fight clean
No passion neck, okay?
before it begins.
Have a good fight,
Third
okay? Touch
final
gloves. Touch
and the
gloves.
decisive round.
Yes.
Step back. Step
The ref
back,
knows
step
that
back,
these boys are going to
Step
go
back.
hard.
Step back.
So yeah,
Box.
Round 3.
here it goes. And here we go.
Head up, Red. Keep head up,
Fire
Red.
Interestingly, both the fighters, my goodness. Not to worry about eating one.
It's
Just
like
keep
go hard or
delivering.
go home.
Powerful left there for Eldar.
Eldar is more clean with his punches.
I mean,
Breathe. Breathe.
that work
boxer,
rate
breathe.
for 3 minutes, insane. I don't think so.
Oh, Eldar getting the best out of this
Head up,
moment right now. And Agashan is looking tired. Kazakhstan
Starting to
looking
take
tired.
a toll. Both the boxers
Oh, what a combination from
Breathe.
Agashan.
Breathe,
running
boxer,
low
breathe.
on fuel.
Right now running on that reserve tank. But Agashan shouldn't miss too many punches, because if he keeps
holding,
missing, the
Blue.
judges are
Stop.
not
Stop.
going to
Red.
give it
No
away.
tool. Step back,
It's just
step back,
about the
step back,
same
step back.
game plan he
Box.
adopted during the semi-finals.
Oh, that's a big punch
powerful
from
one
Agashan.
right into the chin.
And he took it so well, the man in red. So strong and enduring, these two men.
Man, how he still standing.
Break.
That
Break, boxer.
punch was,
Break.
my goodness.
Stop.
Oh,
Up,
slip.
Up, up, up,
it's a
up,
slip from the man.
Up.
Little
in
imbalance.
red.
Just maybe.
Box.
Little vulnerable.
No snapping. Blue no
Flurry of punches. Agashan keep
Agashan.
coming. And Elda, like a true warrior,
Break, boxer.
keep
Break.
enduring.
Both fighters not stepping back. Going hard, both fighters. Slugging it out. They're slugging it out. They're going hard. You can see them.
It's a fire zone. It's a fire zone. Both boxers firing relentlessly. Who will come out of it?
What
Who
a
will come out of
match.
it?
What a match.
boxer.
They met
Boxer,
their
break.
match at this
Stop.
moment.
Break.
Oh.
Step back. Box.
Oh,
Another one right into the chin. Oh
Agashan.
my goodness. How on earth?
Agashan not
Stop.
stopping.
Stop. Right. Hit up.
Keeping the bounce on his feet. Agashan, it's 3
Box.
seconds into the round. Who will throw the final punch? And both fighters, what a slugfest it was.
I'm struggling to
And
find a
that's
way
the
to
end of
describe
the
this
final
fight.
round.
Oh my goodness.
Both fighters showing so
What
much heart.
boxing, what quality, what power.
What
This is
heart.
Oh yes, this is Asian Under 22 and Youth Boxing Championship Colombo. Live pictures coming your way, Pure Sport.
Boxer.
SLT Mobitel POTV channel 150323 for HD and on all social media platforms, Pure Sport, YouTube and FB. Live action on
Somewhere
International
down the
Boxing.
line, somewhere down the line, it stopped. It just became a fight, and they were just fighting there, swinging punches.
Both knew time to unleash. Both the boxers done that. On accuracy aspect, I thought Agashan did touch better.
It was a close decision, and we are waiting for this anticipated moment with excitement.
Come.
Here we go.
The winner of this bout on points by split decision is the boxer from the blue corner, Aghasan Kadir,
They
representing
did it.
Kazakhstan.
It just had enough. What about